Hello YouTube. The storm is picking up here. We're gonna have some bad weather tomorrow. I was sitting by the pond and I saw the birds that steal food from my pond. They are too many now, so they fight over the pond. It has been really brutal. I really hope I can get some of it. Yeah. It's crazy fight going on. Crazy bird fight. We always had one pair coming to our pond, but now it seems like there are another pair that wants to have piece of the cake as well. Oh, a squirrel as well. My squirrel is coming. Wow, nature shot today. Nice one. Yeah, my squirrel. Oh, he's fast. Thank you for watching. Bye.